minutes or 30 minutes is fine. So salt and pepper, onion and garlic. Oh, smells so good there already, guys. Make sure your pan is hot. Okay. Okay na po to. 20 minutes and we cook na. So good. Wow. Alright. Smell really good. I wish you can do like this, right? This one is really giving me hard time. See? Okay. Okay na po to. Nakiuso lang tayo sa okay na po to, guys. So make sure your pan is hot after you marinate this, and then you put that here. And for last 5 minutes, you put this oven into this cooking and really full blast. Then or 2 to 3 minutes, then remove it slowly, and then put it in medium high heat. So give a chance to cook the tofu and the rest of the spicy or herbs that you put in. Garlic, onion, that's it. So you don't have to stir it like crazy all the time. As long as the heat is okay, okay na yan. Okay na po to. So I'll be back, and we're gonna look at it really soon. Alright, here is our tofu. Enjoy watching, everyone. Okay. Okay na po yan. Okay. It's ready. Okay na po ito, guys. My phone is really giving me hard time. I mean, not my phone. This mobile tripod. Sorry if it just keep moving. Ah, what's happening? Okay. That's better. Just stay. Okay, just a little bit of milk and it's good. Okay, guys. Bear with my phone though.